area in my research lab that we focus on is mobile diagnostics to create different kinds of diagnostic tests for disease, monitoring of diseases or different kinds of biomarkers. What I have here is actually a vertical flow assay. You can think of as the sister of lateral flow tests. What is a lateral flow test? Any one of those COVID tests that you had, the 15-minute tests that you had in the last several years, those are lateral flow tests. And this is actually a brother of it, a sister of it, in the sense that it has the same paper-based sensor technology behind it, but the flow is vertical as opposed to going lateral. That gives us multiplexing capability, which means we can actually look at tens, perhaps hundreds of different spots on the paper membrane and measure different biomarkers and read these with a mobile phone-based reader. All the way from fluorescence to color changes to chemiluminescence, different types of sensing mechanisms can be used to convert this vertical flow assay into a very sensitive biomedical sensor that can be operated at 15 minutes of total test time, perhaps 50 microliters of serum sample to be tested rapidly for a panel of biomarkers, read with a mobile phone. This is actually powered by deep learning also, in the sense that the design of this vertical flow assay is created, designed, optimized using a neural network, machine learning, statistical learning. And the inference, the readout after the capture of the mobile phone image is also running through a neural network that's trained. So far, we have used this platform for screening of cardiovascular biomarkers very sensitively. It goes down to, believe it or not, to picogram per milliliter of sensitivity. 10 to the minus 12 gram per mil can be actually detected with these kinds of platforms within 15, perhaps at most 20 minutes from biomedical samples. And we also use this for detection of diagnosis of Lyme disease, a very difficult to diagnose disease from serum samples, thanks to also these vertical flow assays, mobile phone-based readout, and neural networks working together.